So here we are in my Stripe account, not my actual Stripe account, but the one I made for the purposes of this video. So we're going to assume here that you've already done the basics to set up your Stripe account. You've entered a name, a password. I think by this point they've asked you for your date of birth and some other personal details. The next step that you were probably asked to complete was to verify your email. And so that's the step we're at now. I've verified my email address and now I'm ready to activate my account. By activating my account, this will allow me to add things like Alipay, WeChat Pay, any other kind of pay that you want to integrate into Stripe. This is the first thing that you need to do. So those of you that are having problems getting your WeChat Pay connected through Stripe, this should solve that for you. So first, let's go ahead and click up here on the top left on Activate Account. And business details. This is one of the most important things. I think this is what's tripping up a lot of people that are starting online teaching and tutoring businesses. So this might not seem very intuitive, but this is what I did and it worked for me. So under industry, go down and don't choose consulting. This has been tripping a lot of people up. And also I wouldn't choose education. What I ended up choosing was this. I went to digital products and I chose other digital goods. Other digital goods meaning the classes that I'm providing online. For my business website, I went ahead and used my YouTube account. I just linked to my main page there. You could link to a Facebook business page. Some of you have Strikingly accounts, different websites, anything basically that shows that your business has some kind of online presence. Don't overthink it, something really simple. I had a YouTube account that's, I don't know, not even a year old, has maybe 30 videos about teaching on it. I'm not sure how deeply they look into this. You know, don't be dishonest, but I don't think you have to set up any major operation. I just used something that I already had, which was my YouTube account. So you put your business website in, product description, I think I just put online courses, something like that. After that, you will hit continue and just move on from there. So this is a real quick video. I hope that you found it helpful. Have a great day.